Hi guys, today I got a HP 8620S notebook. Let's see if we can bring back some life into it. On the left we've got VGA, power, Ethernet and 3 USB ports. On the right side we got a Kensington lock and a DVD writer. On the front we have an SD card reader, a mic and headphone jack ports. So let's start upgrading. If you have one of these lying around and you want to upgrade it, I'm afraid that you have to put in some extra RAM. Now Microsoft says you can run Windows 10 with 2 GB, but Windows 10 takes all of that RAM for itself. So you really need to upgrade your RAM if you want to browse, if you want to do anything on it. The downside of this is that DDR2 RAM is fucking expensive. In this video I will only replace the hard drive for an SSD. After the installation and a clean installation of Windows 10 we can start testing. If you can upgrade the RAM you can actually browse fine on it and do some type work. Everything else is just too much. Now the old hard drive had Windows 7 on it and it booted in 2 minutes I think. And now it boots in 36 seconds.
Time to listen to me whine.
So that's it for the HP Compaq 8620S. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.